Is it just me, or does it feel like our money is disappearing faster than ever? We've all been there. A few subscriptions we forgot about, a slightly higher internet bill, and suddenly our budget is out of whack. What if there was an app that could track it all, and even help you get some of that money back? Today we're diving into the pros and cons of Rocket Money in 2025. Is it the hero your wallet needs, or just another app that complicates your finances? Let's find out. First, the pros. And there are quite a few. Rocket Money is great for a couple of reasons, but its subscription management is arguably its most famous feature. The app scans your transactions and finds all your recurring charges, from streaming services to gym memberships. It lays them out clearly, and with the premium version, it can even cancel them for you. This is a huge time saver and can easily help you find forgotten subscriptions that are draining your account. Another big plus is the bill negotiation service. This is a game changer. Rocket Money will contact your service providers, think your cable or internet company, and try to get you a better rate. If they succeed, you pay them a percentage of the savings. The app also helps you with budgeting by providing a clear, intuitive interface that shows you exactly where your money is going. You can create custom budget categories and set spending limits, and it'll even give you alerts. The app's design is also a major highlight. It's clean and easy to use, making it a great option for people who are new to budgeting apps. It gives you a full picture of your finances in one place by linking to all your bank, credit card, and investment accounts. The premium version also includes credit score and net worth tracking, so you can monitor your overall financial health over time. Of course, no app is perfect. One of the main downsides is the limited free version. While you can see your balances and transactions, many of the most powerful features, like custom budgets and automated savings, are locked behind a paywall. The premium membership has a pay-what-you-think-is-fair model, with a customizable monthly fee from $6 to $12, but it's still a cost you have to consider. Then there are the fees. The bill negotiation service, while super helpful, can be expensive. Rocket Money charges a fee of 30% to 60% of your first year's savings. You're paying for the convenience of not having to do it yourself, but a savvy user could just as easily contact their providers directly and save that money. Additionally, some users have reported issues with bank linking and customer support, and the investment tracking features aren't as robust as some competing apps. Lastly, Rocket Money's traditional budgeting approach may not be for everyone. If you're looking for a more granular, zero-based budgeting system, you might find other apps like in-app or EveryDollar to be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.